क्या बात है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
हेलो दोस्तों,
क्या है?
मैं तैयार हो गया हूँ। मैं जा रहा हूँ ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी और वहाँ से मैं जाऊँगा दिल्ली। इवेंट है आज दिल्ली में एक, तो आपको ले चलूँगा उस इवेंट में। देखो तो हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आ गया हूँ ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी, ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी मेट्रो स्टेशन। और ये रहा अपना सुपरनोवा, नॉर्थ इंडिया का सबसे लार्जेस्ट बिल्डिंग। दोस्तों मैं आ गया हूँ मेट्रो स्टेशन। मैं जैसे यहाँ पहुँचा तो मेट्रो खड़ी थी, बट मैं जैसे पहुँचा वो चला गया।
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर। तो
मुझे वेट करना पड़ेगा, तो ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 मिनट वेट करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद मेट्रो आ जाएगी। ये अपनी मेट्रो ले चलेंगे आपको सीधा मेट्रो के अंदर।
म्यूजिक।
बहुत लंबा इंटरचेंज है यार, काफ़ी चलना पड़ता है। देखो दोस्तों क्या बताऊँ, बहुत लंबा इंटरचेंज था, काफ़ी चलना पड़ा, लेकिन पहुँच गया मैं।
अच्छा ठीक है।
यहाँ के बाहर का व्यू दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। देखिए यहाँ के बाहर का व्यू।
मजा आया, और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ।
इस जगह का नाम है कालका जी मंदिर, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ, ये देखिए।
है मुझसे कोई स्मार्ट? बताओ खुद। नहीं तुम खुद दे। मैं ये नहीं कहता, तुम मेरी बात मानो, तुम खुद देखो ना।
दोस्तों यहाँ पे टिकट चेक हो रही है, टिकट चेक के बाद आईडी कार्ड मिलेगा, देख सकते हैं आप। तो दोस्तों हम अंदर आ गए हैं। ये अचीवर लीग का कुछ कार्ड मिला है मुझे, काफ़ी देर के बाद चेकिंग के बाद टिकट चेक्स की, और उसके बाद हम एंट्री हुई हमारी। ये देखिए अचीवर लीग से अंदर चल के, ये अचीवर्स द अचीवमेंट प्ले बटन एंड द सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस, एक बुक्स मिली है। देखिए काफ़ी लोग हैं यहाँ पे। एक्स्ट्रा चेयर
इसको समझना पड़ेगा हमें कि जब बारिश आता है तो पानी आता है, तब ज्यादा बारिश आता है तो ज्यादा पानी आता है।
इसके बारे में डिस्कस तो किया मैंने, लेकिन इन्होंने मुझे इंग्लिश में कुछ सजेस्ट किया, लेकिन मुझे इंग्लिश में डिस्कस किया।
इंग्लिश बोलने में मुश्किल है पीने में नहीं।
में बताया गया है। यहाँ देखिए यूनिवर्सिटीज़, ये कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी?
Diya.
So I'm going to talk to you about a couple of things before I send you inside so that you're prepared. Yeah. I know I've seen a couple of you talk to me before. You have all visited the universities.
Yeah.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो. I study at the London School of Economics and Political Science. I study international relations. I'm a first year student and I work with Nisao, so I'm qualified to answer any questions that you have. And Another thing being, I am also a Laidlaw scholarship holder, so I will be able to answer any questions that you have about scholarships, etc. Another thing, now inside, what is going to be happening? How many of you are looking for jobs? Okay. Internships. Yeah. Okay. So what's going to happen inside is basically a session on employability, where we are going to be talking to you about how to get internships, how to get into university, and how to get jobs. So the person taking the class
very special masterclass on employability, conducted by our founder and chairperson, Sanam Arora. She is the chief architect of the India UK Achievers Honours and a consistent advocate transformation advice to global asset management houses. Sanam Arora is a distinguished leader in education and employability and offers invaluable guidance to students navigating their career paths. Please welcome her onto the stage.
Thank you, dear, and good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Let's get a bit more energy in the room. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for joining us today. Dia has done some long hours introduction, which I'm very thankful for. But I want to also share with you that just like you, I was until very recently, until a couple of years ago, a student. I studied in India. I then went over to the UK to do my undergraduate degree. And I was telling the guys before you, but you know, when you go over to a foreign country, most of us get Hindi here, yeah? Yes. Bade papad belne padte hain. So all of us have to do a lot of things to, you know, make life work for us. And when I went there, I think I started off at the age of 15, 16 maybe. I was doing waitressing. I used to earn £3 an hour back then, which is like 300 rupees. I have worked in a... Give you some homework for later as well. And I hope you'll enjoy it when I set it for you. This session is about personal branding. Anyone know what personal branding is all about? Just shout out. By the way, this is a super safe space, yeah? No one's judging. There's no judgy auntie here. There's no... it's a safe space. I just want you to be as comfortable with yourselves as possible. So, just shout out. What does personal branding mean to you?
Identity of an individual.
Identity of an individual, absolutely.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you so much for joining us here at the British Council. British Council में आप सबको स्वागत है.
Pow!
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
It's our pleasure to open our home to you. This is your home as much as it is mine. This building itself was designed by an Indian architect, Charles Currier, who some of you may be aware of. And the front of the building has a mural from the British artist Howard Hodgkin, who spent many, many years of his life here in India. So it's truly a building that embodies the spirit of UK-India connection. So I'm really delighted you could all be here with us today.
Global for TOEFL and GRE in India. Purnima has completed the Harvard Business School Future Leaders Program and a digital marketing course from Oxford University. May I please invite all the panelists onto the stage.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं.
And remembering from something Alison said, like I'm a King's alumni, but I'm a proud graduate visa holder. So yes, it is very useful. But getting started in this panel, so something that everybody is looking forward to in this session is because they have interacted with all the universities, they have heard about what is on offer. But something they might be missing out on is how did it happen for you guys? How did it happen for alumni who have gone on to achieve things? How did it happen specifically in your case, Purnima, like when you ended up going to work there? So starting from Prachi, so tell us something about your story. Like how did you think that you wanted to go to UK and pursue education there?
I hope it's working. So okay, my story is a bit interesting. I'm a conventional education background student. Everyone in my family is a doctor or an engineer or they're in army. And when it came to me, I already knew that I don't want to be a doctor or engineer, and I wanted to do something which is very unconventional. It was that kind of a thought process that time, and then I realized that for unconventional studying and for the kind of exposure I'm looking for, I need to go to UK, probably because of the fact.
Well, it's really come full circle in a way, Sanam, because in fact, just coincidentally, and I think the UK keeps popping up in my life, I interviewed the new UK Foreign Secretary, David Lammy, just 2 weeks ago, and it was absolutely fantastic to see that India was one of his first visits in Asia, and how keen he was on the India-UK partnership growing. So just a little bit about my personal journey. I got my first rejection from the UK